Assalamu alaikum, all GSM friend. Today's subject new mobile Vivo Y73 PD2031 plus file 100% trusted order firm. Okay. Mouse working, the down mouse, this file, hang logo, recovery mode, auto on off. This file is scatter file, official file, 100% working. Download now, email and WhatsApp 24-hour service. Any problem, WhatsApp start now, 24-hour service. Okay. Next, OPPO A94 CPH2203 DRAM file date mode, 100% working. This mobile UMT and unlock tool Pandora, the format say date auto on off only immediate break for show. This BBL version F60. The file 100% working, no confused, no afraid. Just file download now and email and WhatsApp charge now 24-hour service and installation. Any problem, downloading problem, file problem, any solution, but the file need immediate email and WhatsApp start now 24-hour service because this paid file. You don't worry, my file 100% working. Next, Redmi Note 10 Pro Switch bypass MI account without VPN by just flashing 100% trusted. Now we see the file Redmi Note Pro Switch bypass MI account without VPN just flashing by fast boot or direct EMC or UFS boot or unlock it UM V13090 EA. Download now, no problem, no afraid, just download the complete and flashing the MI account permanently remove. Next, Vivo Y1906 PD193 recovery mode XML file. Just any tool the flashing now, don't worry. My file 100% working. This file haptic file. Okay. This tested file. Okay. The download now. The emergency your file need just in a browser open. This browser open Google search now. The Varsha mobile. Click now. The Varsha mobile and blogger site open now. And any file you need, just this model name A94. The magic system. DRAM file, name simlock. Okay. Any model this search now. Okay, my friend, my YouTube channel subscriber, like and comment and Facebook share. I am very confused. YouTube channel description, no link, just link, comment box checks. And solution the Varsha mobile, call search now and blogger site open. Good night.